Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to write a code using AI, or specifically the ChatGPT. First of all, I will need you to open any kind of browsers, and then this will pop up for you. So any kind of browsers, and go to Google. After that, write ChatGPT or OpenAI. So let's choose this one, and here you will find all of these options. So let's click on the first one, and then click on try from here. As some of you know, the ChatGPT can answer you at any question. So any code you ask for, as long as it is not so complicated. For example, you ask it to write you a GTA 5 code, that's not really possible for the bot to make it for you. So if you ask it to make like simple codes, it will still make it for you guys. So let's, for example, hi, let's try this. So and let's wait for it until it answers us, and sometimes it can take a lot of time because as you can see here, they are experiencing some exceptionally high demand. So the traffic is so high, and they can't really, the servers are really high on traffic. So now let's start with it. Let's start with our tutorial. Let's think of something that this bot can write for us. First of all, let's write give me or write me a script of a game like graveyard keeper using Python. Let's see if this is possible. Even though I don't think it's possible, but let's try this out. So write me a script of a game like graveyard keeper using Python. Even though it's hard to do it because it's alright, like give it creep. Oh, it is making it for us. Alright, so here you can see create lots of graves in a graveyard. Alright, that's really nice. It's actually making it for us. So basically, the graveyard keeper, for those who doesn't know it, it is this game. So it is this game, as you can see. Now it is making the script of this game. So this is actually huge, guys. As you can see, it can write Unicode. So if we stopped it now, and I'm actually not going to stop it because I'm really interested on this game, so I'm gonna copy it and save it. And now let's try to the script creates a list of graves in the graveyard, and then selects a random grave to hide the treasure in. The player is prompted to select a grave to search, and if they select the grave containing the treasure, they are congratulated. If they select the wrong grave, they are told that the treasure was not found. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, so it gives us a simple script about the game, not really the game, the whole game, but it gives us a part of it. So now let's try something else. Let's make it give us a website. So write me an e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript. Let's see if it will make it for us. So we are looking at it, and it might take some time. Alright, it is making it for us. So this is absolutely genius. Absolutely, like this is incredible. Actually, this is life-saving for some of us guys, especially for those who are like working freelancing or something like that, and they have like high demand. You can use this bot to make some job for you instead of like spending some time on it. This bot can make it for you in seconds. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.